Hello everyone, this is Nini, the violinist of the Thais Trio, and here's what's in my case. Here, of course, I have my violin in this beautiful bag. I also have my shoulder rest, because I still use my shoulder rest. Then I have my 3 bows, but I truly only use this middle one, which is my French bow. Then in this bag, I have multiple sets of Larsen strings, and I always carry with me the used one because you never know when string is gonna give up on you while playing at the concert. I have my 2 Rosens, and I truly recommend this one to everyone. I have different mutes and of course my practice mute, because you never know when you have to practice at 2 a.m. I have my cloth to clean my strings, and as a Georgian, of course, I carry khinkali with me. And while rehearsing, sometimes too late and we are too tired, I always carry with me Georgian wine.